Today's topic is Bitcoin halving. We will dig deeper into it, know what exactly Bitcoin halving is, what happens in shortly in this video, and I am making a series on Bitcoin and Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin mining and all that stuff, everything about Bitcoin. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you will be always updated when a video is uploaded in that series, and I'll make a playlist about it also. So let's continue to the video and see what Bitcoin halving is exactly. As the word says, halving, halve means half. You add ing so the word gets different. So halving means half. So the Bitcoin rate gets half every Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin reward gets halved every Bitcoin halving, and the difficulty of mining increases every Bitcoin halving. Like if you see on the first Bitcoin halving, the reward was, which was done in 2009, the reward for each block was 50 bitcoins, and after the first halving it became 25, after that 12.5, then 6.25 bitcoins per block, okay, as of 11 May 2020. So same happens every single halving. So generally a halving occurs every 4 years. The approximate value is 4 years. It used to happen for 4 years, after 4 years, and there were many different things like increase and exponential growth, which brings it sometimes a bit early also. So we'll talk about it later. And you can see here that after every 210,000 block mined, roughly every 4 years, that was the plan about Bitcoin, but the exponential growth took it to a next level, and Bitcoin miners will get processing transaction cut. So every Bitcoin halving, the Bitcoin miners get less money, like their transaction cut is halved and many things affect them. But at the same time, after Bitcoin halving, the price of Bitcoin raises like anything else. The Bitcoin halving is actually a synthetic inflation of Bitcoin, which Bitcoin brings it in its own way. So according to the founder of Bitcoin, and they say that till 2140 the limit of 21 million Bitcoin will be reached, and at that point the miners will be rewarded with fees which network users will pay for processing transactions. So like what will the miners do after all the Bitcoins are mined? So for that also they have planned to continue the cycle and keep the security of the system, that the miners will get rewarded with transaction fees, and the fees will be increased with time, because of course they have to do with it. Like the halving event, it's too significant, because before halving, before 1 year of halving, the Bitcoin crashes like anything else. Like 80% of the move, it has happened in current market. It has happened thrice before this, and I have shared it in a video, and I will link that video in the I tab button. Like as of 21 October 2021, there were 8.85 million Bitcoins circulated already, and just 2.15 million Bitcoins are left. But the difficulty of mining them will increase with time, of course, and the reward will decrease, as the halving word itself signifies. And after the halving is done, the Bitcoin booms like anything. It just goes to next level, and after every Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin has put a new high. After every single Bitcoin, I'm repeating again, Bitcoin has made a new high, which is really high and good. So if you know the math and the market cycles, you can earn in cryptocurrencies as well. So that's it for the video, I think. And let's see the chart of Bitcoin price versus Bitcoin halving, what was exactly happened. So here was first halving, block reward was 50, from 50 to 25, it went to 25, I'm sorry, and after that you can see here was a good move showed by that arrow, and it made a new high. Second halving, the block reward came from 25 to 12.5, again a new high. Now third halving is about to come in 2024. Actually this halving is done, the data is insufficient, but we know the rest is history. The Bitcoin was at $50,000, here it was at $16,000, and after that it has crashed right now, and now it is getting ready to make a new high as in 2024 there is Bitcoin halving. So again, an important thing, there is a country named El Salvador that made Bitcoin legal tender on 9 June 2021, and it is the first country to do so. The cryptocurrency can be used for any transaction where the business can accept it. So this is the first country to do it. And to revise it quickly, what we found today and learned today, let's do it. A Bitcoin halving event is when the reward of mining Bitcoin transaction is cut into half. It is the basic definition and the name signifies. The event also cuts in half Bitcoin's inflation rate and the rate at which new Bitcoins enter circulation. So we also discussed on that. Previous halvings have correlated with interest boom and bust cycles. Of course, before 1 year of Bitcoin halving, the Bitcoin crashes. After halving is finished, it makes a new high, and previous halving have correlated with interest boom and bust cycle. Yeah, we saw it. And Bitcoin was last halved at 11 May 2020 around 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, resulting in a block reward of 6.25 Bitcoins, which was the current one. And after that Bitcoin made a new high. And as you can see, this is a large slides and presentation, so I have planned many things for it. So if you found something valuable, please make sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for updates like this, and to continue with this Bitcoin knowledge series, which I am trying my best to dig deeper in it and find the most out of it for you. So thank you so much for this video.